If you want to stop receiving mention and reply notifications from anyone on X.com, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few clicks. This is a great way to reduce distractions, cut down on unnecessary alerts, and keep your notifications focused on the updates that actually matter to you. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Let's get into it. First, open X.com and sign into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open the full menu with additional settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings menu appears, select Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, click Preferences. This is where you can control how X sends you alerts across different devices and notification types. Next, click Push Notifications. This section controls the alerts that appear on your phone or device as push notifications. Now look for the option labeled Mentions and Replies. Under that setting, toggle it to Off. This will stop push notifications for mentions and replies, helping you avoid alerts from anyone interacting with your account. Once that setting is turned off, you should no longer receive those notifications through push alerts. If you ever want to turn them back on later, you can return to the same menu and switch it back on any time. So to quickly recap, go to More, then Settings and Privacy, then Notifications, then Preferences, then Push Notifications, and finally turn off mentions and replies. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one.